with this, what I'd like to identify and try to help you with, what I consider a small account really is, could be 25,000 and under, could be under $1 million, right? It's really smaller accounts is what I'm trying to cater this to. So 25,000 and under. Now remember, the 25,000 is the magic number for PDT. So I want to go over some of those rules because some of you are brand new to trading, like Matt just came in here. Thank you, Matt, again. But I want to get through some of these hot points so you guys understand exactly what that is. Some of the golden rules that we live by in here, all right? Never lose more than 1 to 3% of your account total. So never lose more than 1 to 3% of your account total ever. That goes for every single day. Never have more than 2 red trading days in a row. If that is the case, you need to stop trading for at least 3 to 4 weeks and figure out what is going on. If you are a new trader, make sure you are paper trading. Do not, I repeat, do not use real money. If you are a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade, regardless if they're shares or options. Always have a stop loss in place. That'll help protect you. The market can pull at weird random times. You never know what's going to happen, what news is going to come out, or what news person is starting to talk, and then it tanks the market. You don't want to be sitting there, right, in a trade and you have no way to protect yourself. So make sure you follow all of these rules. Make sure you journal every single day. I recommend that you handwrite. So I always have a journal next to me. As you can see, I got the Amazon Kindle Scribe. Always make sure we journal everything that's going on so that you can refer back and understand what you did, why you did it. You want to write down more about the psychology than you do the trades. So a lot of times people think they need to write 4 trades, 3 were successful, none of that matters. It doesn't matter what strike price is. It doesn't matter what you paid. It doesn't matter even what you profited. Only thing that matters is, did you get in at the right time? Smiley face. Did you shed when you were supposed to? Smiley face. Did you get out too early? Frown face, right? And maybe put on there why, what you could have done better, everything like that, okay? So those are the golden rules. Make sure you live by them. Now, PDT, pattern day trading rules. What does it mean and what does it mean to you? It means if you have under $25,000, I would recommend using what is called a cash account.